Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how I did this look using the Jeffree Star Jawbreaker palette. Please don't be afraid to thumbs up this video, subscribe, and comment. And if you want to see how I did this look, please continue watching. We're just going to jump right in, right? Let's just jump right in. We're going to take the P. Louise base in Rumor 2 and the Morphe x Jeffree Star little mini sponge. What I'm thinking of doing is doing like an ombre yellow to orange to red kind of like flame. So we're gonna dive into Licorice first, which is this dark red color, and that's gonna go on the outside wing. So I kind of want to see how I'm using a Morphe angled brush because this part's gonna be the wing of it, so I'm gonna try to make that as winged as possible. This angled Morphe brush, and we're gonna go into Suck, which is this orange color right here, and we're gonna draw. Okay, and then now I'm gonna take the Morphe M217 brush, and we're gonna go into Wow, which is this yellow color. Okay, I like that a lot. You guys just gotta trust the process. So on Beauty Alyssa Rose, I asked you guys to ask me questions for the video that I would answer throughout the video. I thought it would be a fun way for you guys to get to know me a little better since I am more of a newer channel and I don't really like talk that much on Beauty Alyssa Rose. So let's see what questions have been asked. Okay, the first one is any good ideas / products for acne? Yes. There are two things that like I live and die by that have helped me so much with my skin, and like when I don't use them or when I use something else, I notice, and I don't like that notice. Like it's oh, there's more pimples, or my like scarring isn't going away as well. So the first one is bio oil, my holy grail. If you know me, if you're friends with me, your family, whatever, I've talked to you about skincare, I will always bring up bio oil. Like I literally live and die by this product. It's so good. It helps for acne, scarring, stretch marks, uneven skin tones. Like it's just so good. So good for the skin. I love it. It's an oil, so you don't need to use as much. I literally use it in my T-zone and that's it. But like I had a little bit of acne scarring on my chin, and my mom actually got it for me to try to get this scar to go away, but since that one was more of a like scar, not like an acne scar, it didn't work. And then it sat in my drawer for a while, and then I was like, oh, it says it works for like acne scarring, so I might as well try it. And like the acne scars on my chin literally went away, and I was like, okay. So I use this product every day. It's my favorite. I get everyone on it. I don't know, it's just so good. Like it's so good to not share with people. Okay, and then my next one is my makeup remover, which is by Lunan Aster, and it's so good. It's so good for your skin. It has aloe, cucumber, I think coconut in it, but it's super good, super clean. It makes my skin feel so good after I take off makeup and just clean, and it just really partners with my skincare really well too, which is really nice. So yeah, those are like my two really good for acne, really good for having good clear skin. Those are my two holy grail products. Now we're gonna go ahead and color this in, and I think I'm gonna start with yellow and then work my way down. I'm gonna go yellow, orange, red. And don't be afraid to bring the yellow a little bit more into where the orange is gonna go because it'll help it blend better. I'm using the Morphe x Jeffree Star JS13 brush, and the orange color is called Suck. And I'm just gonna apply that. And again, don't be afraid to transition the orange a little bit more into the red because orange and red are gonna blend a lot easier than yellow and orange are. And again, I'm just putting the colors in right now. I'm not doing any blending or anything yet. Okay, and then now I'm taking Licorice, which is that dark red, and I'm using the Morphe Jaclyn Hill JH39 brush. Okay, let's get to the second question that was asked on Beauty Alyssa Rose. Favorite blush and bronzer? My favorite blush and bronzer are probably Kylie's Baddie on the Block and then her bronzer Toasty. And then if it's not Kylie, I think the Too Faced Papa Don't Peach blush is my favorite, and then the Marc Jacobs bronzer is my favorite. Those are my four go-to blush and bronzer like duos, but the Kylie ones are definitely my favorite right now. I really like those. Look at how seamlessly I got the orange and red to blend. Flawless. This yellow one though, it's gonna give me a run for my money. I'm definitely gonna have to work hard to get that one to blend really nicely. And so then next we're gonna outline it with black. eyeliner, which is, fingers crossed I don't mess it up because that's a lot of pressure. We're gonna take the Stila Cosmetics Intense Black Waterproof Liquid Eyeliner and we're gonna outline it like that. I think first though, to calm the nerves, we should answer another question. Workout routine / fave places to shop. Well, my workout routine, I work out with my boyfriend, so he kind of makes my workout routine for me, so I don't even have to worry about it. I just kind of do it, which is nice. Working out to him is how makeup is to me. Like, it's both. We both really, really love to do it. So back home in Oregon, I don't like to shop there at all, but here I really like to shop here for it. Like, they just have completely different styles, which is interesting because it's the same store. But the Anthropologie here is so much better than the Anthropologie back home. Like, I won't even step foot in the Anthropologie back home because I have never ever found anything there. But the Anthropologie here, I've bought multiple pieces that are so cute. And I'm like, interesting. What else? Anthropologie, Nike, Urban. Okay, the Scottsdale Shopping Center. Fashion Square Mall. It's really good. You guys, my hands are shaking. They're quaking. I don't have steady hands at all. Like, my hands are just naturally like, do you see my pinky right now? I'm not even moving it. Like, my hands just are not, I don't have steady hands. I was not built to be a surgeon. Perfect. That's literally exactly what I wanted. So here's my little predicament right now, guys. You see we have Wow, Suck, and Licorice up here, these three, which is what is on my eye. But then down here, these three, which are called Lemon Drop and What, and Orange Juice, are the same but a little sparkly. So I'm like, do I want to put it on top and do a little, I do. Don't you think? Like, I really do. I almost put it on. And then I was like, don't do that, that's a bad idea. But it, okay, then we'll swatch Orange Juice and then and What. You guys, I don't know. That could look really good. I think I might do it. I don't know. You know when you're like, this could mess up the look, this could make it look really good. We're gonna take a few flat brushed Morphe brushes. And I'm gonna take Lemon Drop, the shimmery yellow one. Okay, I'm not mad. I really like it. So far, so good. I think it'll add that little pop of color that we need. Okay, we're going into Orange Juice now. Okay, the orange definitely adds that little bit of like fire. Like, it definitely makes it feel more fiery. Another Morphe brush, and I'm going into And What, which is the sparkly red. I'm really happy I added that shimmer. Like, it looks so much better. I'm gonna go ahead and match this on the other side off camera, and I will be right back. I did it again, guys. I'm so bad. I turned off my mic because it's powered by a battery and I didn't want to drain the battery while I was doing my other eye off camera. And I was like, okay, we're not gonna forget to turn it on. Guess what I forgot to do? But I'll fill you in on what you missed. I decided I was gonna do Lilly lashes in Miami, and right now I'm prepping my eyelashes to put on the lashes. And right now I'm using the Milk Cosmetics Kush mascara. I like using this mascara for lashes because it doesn't like clump your lashes, which is really nice. And I just like lightly coat them, like I don't try to build up the product or anything. And then I prime my lashes with the L'Oreal Voluminous base. And I always prime my lashes. So to do the face, we're gonna start with the e.l.f. Poreless Putty Primer. And we're gonna put that in our T-zone. I was skeptical about the poreless putty the first time that I used it, but it has grown on me and it does make a difference. I have noticed a difference. And it doesn't make me break out, because when you think like of a putty going like into your pores, you're kind of like, that sounds like a massive breakout if you ask me, but I haven't had any breakouts. So I'm gonna mix two foundations together because I've been using self tanner recently. I'm on my I need to reapply so I'm not as tan, but I just look really sick when I'm pale and no one likes that, and I just want a little pep in my step, you know. So I use the Jergens Mousse tanning lotion and I really like it, and I only use it once and then let it absorb overnight, and then I'll shower off the smell in the morning because I hate the smell of tanning lotion, and then I just won't reapply for 2 or 3 days. So it's very natural and it's not like I'm tan. It's more of a just I look healthy and not sick. So I just mixed two foundations together. I mixed the Fenty Beauty Pro Filter Hydrating Longwear Foundation in 200, and I mixed the Milani Conceal and Perfect in medium beige. So we have really dark and really light, and we're gonna do a little mixing together. I really like the Milani Perfect and Conceal, or Conceal and Perfect foundation for a drugstore foundation. I think it's really good, and it's my self tan foundation. And then I really like the Pro Filter Hydrating Foundation from Fenty. So now we're gonna take the Tarte Shape Tape Concealer in the shade Light Neutral. Can you hear my beauty blender literally beating my face? So my next step is going to be powdering my face. If you watched my first video, I didn't bring it up in my second video, but my first video, I used the Real Technique. I hope that was in frame because it fell out of my hand and flew up in the air, and I was like, where did it go? And then I just watched it fall. That was crazy. I hope that was on video. This is the Real Techniques powder sponge. So good, makes you look face tuned, all that jazz. And then I'm using the Morphe Brightening Pink. Oh no, I'm almost out of it. I have no idea what just happened. Okay, next we're gonna take the Jaclyn Hill Luminous Powder in Do Me, I believe. Yep, Do Me. Okay, now we're going to bronze in the face, and I think I'm gonna use Marc Jacobs for that. And I press on the bronzer a little bit above my cheekbone. When the powder falls kind of off the brush, it'll fall into my actual cheekbone and not below my cheekbone, because when it falls below my cheekbone, I just feel like it looks weird. Oh yeah, and for this, I'm using the Morphe X Jaclyn Hill JH02 brush. Now that my bronzer is on, I'm gonna do blush, and for blush today, I'm gonna use my Papa Don't Peach Too Faced blush. This is also one of the only shimmer blushes that I like. I hit pan, look at that. Pan. I think I'm gonna go with my normal Ride or Die Everyday Highlighter, and my normal Ride or Die Everyday Highlighter is the Anastasia Beverly Hills, and I'm gonna take my Morphe X Jaclyn Hill JH09 highlighting brush. So we're actually gonna take the Benefit Roller Lash, and we're gonna do our bottom lashes. Okay, last and not least, the lip. And for the lips, I'm gonna take the Jeffree Star Velour Lip Scrub in Strawberry Gum. I'm going to take the Colourpop Cosmetics Lip Liner in BFF. Okay, and then next I'm taking the Anastasia Beverly Hills Liquid Lip in Milkshake. And I'm just gonna do 3 dots on the bottom and 2 on top. Oh, and then 1 in that corner. And I just kind of mix it around until I like the ombre effect. And then once it's dried, I'm going to apply the Bobbi Brown Lip Gloss in Crystal Clear. It's literally just a clear gloss. And now I'm gonna spray my face, and I'm gonna use the Urban Decay All Nighter Setting Spray. Okay, and then I'm gonna take the Anastasia Clear Brow Gel, and I'm just gonna push up my brows. All right, this is the final look. Thank you guys so much for watching. Subscribe, like, comment, share this video with your friends. I had a lot of fun like sitting down again and just like filming this. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed the video.